When you hear the phrase, the world is unequal, what thoughts come to your mind?
The thoughts which occur to my mind are discrimination, racism, and poverty, and other stuff like that.
Okay. And why do you think the world is unequal?
I don't know the exact reason, but it's unconscious thing that we all do. If not too much, but even a little, we do.
So I think that the world is considered unequal because of judgment. The first thought that comes into my head is definitely judgment, that people are being judged on a lot of different bases, and that's where the inequality comes in place. It happens due to a person's thinking of personality. For example, if I have certain personality or characteristics that I like, I would expect the other person also to have the same characteristics. And when I see that two people don't follow the same wavelength, then I find a little bit of a judgment, or people find judgment in other people based on personality or different characteristics. I think that's how that comes together.
The world is unequal. There's a lot of, it goes down from gender bias to status symbol. It can be material status symbol. It can be status of the lineage you come from, the economic background you come from. So it can be material, it can be the lineage or the genetic inequality, and then you have a lot of gender bias. So, time unknown, the women have always, had a different role to play. One major reason is the patriarchal system. Hence, there's a lot of gender bias. Very often it's seen that, the female has to compromise or even sacrifice certain things which when it comes to a family, or when it comes to even a corporate, even when it comes to the corporate world.
When I hear the phrase, the world is unequal, the first thought that comes to my mind is confusion, because equality is never considered on a benchmark which is common to everybody in this world. So there is inequality, if I may use that term, in social status, financial status of people, inequality in terms of differences of caste, color, creed, and above all of that, there is this inequality of people not knowing the same language which is spoken or written, yet there is equality in the unspoken, unarticulated language that people connect at a very deeper level.